The cloud is empowering businesses like yours to succeed in a crowded marketplace, and the speed with which your developers can deploy applications and the reliability of the platforms they run on are now critical competitive differentiators. But as your developers embrace the cloud to innovate faster, you're struggling against organizational silos, vendor lock-in, and a constant fight to maintain visibility and control. That's why VMware created Cloud Assembly, a multi-cloud extensible declarative orchestration solution. Delivered as a service, Cloud Assembly enables infrastructure as code, giving you the ability to automate service delivery across infrastructure and applications. Enhance collaboration by easily sharing content and iterating on existing deployments, so you can adapt to change more quickly. With wide and growing support for all major clouds and platforms, you can choose whatever environment works best for your developers. Tailored for the modern DevOps-focused organization, Cloud Assembly offers both command line and graphical interfaces for a common collaboration space for developers and IT. And with holistic Day 2 management functionality, deep troubleshooting, an extensible platform, and the ability to reuse blueprints across projects, you'll only use what's needed, maximizing your resources and minimizing waste. Unleash the cloud for your business with Cloud Assembly, an intuitive automation solution for a multi-cloud world. To find out more about Cloud Assembly or request access, visit cloud.vmware.com today.